Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are interested to see just how I made this ultra yummy, super and delicious, hearty salmon with vegetable dish, keep on watching. So my fish has officially been cleaned, and now I'm going 3 tablespoons or so of avocado oil. Then I'm going to put in my chopped onions. Before I do anything else, let me add in this seasoning right here. Right here is salad and vegetable seasoning. It tastes delicious with some fish. So I'm only gonna take about half of the packet, and then take the other half of the fish. You don't want it to be too salty. Add in a quarter. And then let me see. And then I'm going to add in some garlic salt here. So 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt as well. Now I'm going to pour in some water. Some of that seasoning, the vegetable seasoning that we had, and just rub that all over on one side. And I'm going to get some black cloves. Add some black cloves here, here, and here. So I'm just going to let it cook. See the sauce right here. I don't know if you guys can see the sauce, but ready, and it smells great. Just wait for that to cook. We're going to throw in our vegetables. Our vegetables today will consist of zucchini and broccoli, as well as mushrooms. So this mixture right here, this bag right here that I got from Publix, this is what the recipe consists of. It's very simple, less than 5 ingredients, seasoning wise. Flip, flip, flip. And I'm most likely going to add a bit more water, just because I want a slightly thicker sauce. It's good. Because this right here, the creole seasoning has enough salt as it is, in my opinion. But feel free to add in some salt if you wanted to. And it might. This is 10 out of 10 right here. Not only is it cost effective, but it's also quick, given the fact that we essentially used, like I said earlier, less than 5 ingredients. This is what we are working with. Cannot tell me that this does not look good. Look at this. Look at that beautiful brown color. It's not even burned or overcooked. Look at this part obviously is optional if you don't want to cook with vegetables. You don't have to, but I like making a one pot dish, something nice and quick. So I'm just spreading some of that flavor all around. Okay, nice and quick. I'm gonna add some water. Three tablespoons of water. Okay. I'm going to add in some more creole seasoning, since you know as you add water, it dilutes some of that flavor. So I'm going to put some of that seasoning back in. We have to make sure that the vegetables are cooked fully, given the fact that there is mushroom in this mix, and we don't want to eat raw mushroom, because raw mushroom is similar to eating raw meat. For many people, that can give you a really, really bad stomach ache, especially me. So I'm going to make sure that I cook that all the way through. And yes, you see the sauce itself has thickened up a little. I'm going to let that cook, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the fish out, because I don't want the fish to be overcooked. Definitely not. So the fish is done. So let me just go put that, transfer that over to a plate. Okay. Got my salmon. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh.